Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking interior, and this is part one of a two-step project for the F-150. And I've been doing more stuff with the truck because parts are way cheaper, one, I mean, let's be honest, and two, I spend more time in it. So I decided to upgrade the interior. This is a Katzkin Leather kit, and it's pretty sweet. It was very reasonable, by the way. I just did the rear and then, of course, the front headrests, but before it was cloth, and now it's this really nice quality leather material. The back is vinyl. You don't really see the back, so who cares? But it's really easy to do, and I was actually surprised at how easy it was. I'm going to walk you through how to do the rears, and then I'll follow up at a later point in time when I do the fronts and the center section. The center section is actually probably going to be pretty difficult. There's some gluing that needs to happen, and I might just outsource that. We'll see. But yeah, check this out. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, it's super easy. You don't even need special tools or anything like that, you know. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you haven't, please consider subscribing, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. So we got some new Katzkin covers. Let's check them out. All right, we're going to remove some rear seats. So we exposed some hardware here, right? These are 18 mil. This is, I believe, a 15 mil. Same. And then in the middle here, we have a random, in between these two seats, we got a random 13 mil that we got to take care of. So essentially unbolt all this and you'll be on your way.